What will Bitcoin be worth in 2021 and beyond? We asked the top experts to give us their proven predictions about the future value of Bitcoin in terms of price performance. First, we will look at the current price of Bitcoin. Then, we will talk about its future in general. Finally, we will tell you what proven experts saying about their price predictions, the BTC price in 2021, in 10 years, as well as in 20 years. So let's get started. A BTC price chart provides the current value of the world's leading cryptocurrency in real time. Today, the price of Bitcoin remains volatile. However, most experts are right by saying that the rally just started and the reasons are manifold. The market cap of 1.14 trillion showing the dominance and consumers' trust in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. By using a logarithmic scaling of historical BTC prices, the technical analysis is showing a clear price prediction for the future. Let's see what top experts are saying. What will be the price of 1 BTC by the end of this year, 2021? According to Antonio Pompliano, $100,000. Citibank is projecting $120,000. And Bobby Lee believes that the Bitcoin will reach $333,000 in 2021. Let's see what top experts are saying about the BTC price in 10 years. According to Mark Yusko, $500,000. Jeremy Liu is projecting $500,000 as well. And the team behind the Crypto Research Report believes that the Bitcoin will reach $337,000 in 2030. So what about the BTC price in 20 years? Andy Edstrom, wealth manager at WizCap, made a prediction in February 2020 that Bitcoin would reach an 8 trillion market cap. Edstrom believes Bitcoin will become the global default currency. Standpoint researcher Ronnie Moss projects a lower value in market capitalization. Ronnie believes that the market cap of all cryptocurrencies will reach 2 trillion within the next 10 to 20 years. If you're in need of expert crypto consulting, don't hesitate to contact us. We're offering one-on-one cryptocurrency training and cryptocurrency webinars as well. Visit us today at imiblockchain.com and don't forget to subscribe.